Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows recovery environment. When the Windows recovery environment is broken, you will get errors when trying to use advanced startup options, reset your PC kind of things. So here is the how to repair that one. So first you need to check and force enable Windows RE via command prompt. In most cases this recovery image file is completely fine, but Windows has accidentally turned it off. So first you need to go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type REAGENTC space /info and hit enter. So you will see this kind of setting appear. So you in the Windows RE status should be show as enabled. If it is disabled, that should be issue. So you need to enable that one. To enable that one, you need to type, if it is disabled, REAGENTC space /enable and hit enter. Then it will be enabled and you can see message called operation successful. And if first this method is not worked, you need to repair or missing corrupted recovery files. To do that, again you need to open command prompt like this. Then after, first you need to type sfc space /scan now. Hit enter. This will scan the entire system. Once it is finished, you need to run the deployment image command to pull clean system components. To do that, you need to type again dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Okay, and hit enter. After both scan complete, try to run in the enable command again. It is REAGENTC space /enable and hit enter. And if that also not worked, you need to manually rebuild a damaged recovery partition. If you recently clone your hard drive to new SSD, your recovery partition may map completely missing. You can force Windows to rebuild the environment. To do that, you need to open command prompt as administrator like this. Then after, you need to type REAGENTC /disable. First you need to disable that one and hit enter. Now let's look for the any hidden winre.wim files left on your computer. Type this command to find that one. dir space /a space /h space your Windows drive and /wrrewim.wim like this and hit enter. If it find the file, manually copy it back to the default system directory by typing this command. This only need to type if it finds the file. xcopy space /h space your Windows drive /system32 /recovery /winre.wim space your Windows drive, C drive in my case, Windows /system32 /recovery and / like this and hit enter. Once you done that, you need to retarget the recovery path tool into the folder. To do that, REAGENTC space /setting set RE image space /path space your Windows drive /Windows /system32 /recovery and hit enter. And finally you need to type REAGENTC space /enable. Then it will be enabled. To test if it is fixed, you need to go to setting like this Then go to system, go to the not in here, go to update and security, go to recovery option. If you see advanced startup option is available, that means you need to click that one to restart. If your PC boot smoothly into that blue option window like advanced startup options, that means the problem is fixed. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.